How to install tools on the BuilderAll homepage. Let's go. Now, if you feel the content has helped you, then be a good sport. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the videos. The topics we'll be covering in this very short video are: we'll take a quick overview look of the new BuilderAll version 4 dashboard, and I think you'll like the new look. I'll show you how to relocate the menu that's usually located on the top of the screen, and we'll move it to the left of the screen to make things easier, perhaps. I'll get to show you how to use the Install More Tools button in order to add on more modules. And conversely, you'll get to see how to use the Tools Removal button as well, just to uninstall the modules that you no longer need. Okay, on to the next step. Once you've logged on to your BuilderAll version 4 account, you should see a home page not very dissimilar to what I'm showing you right now. Some people might prefer, and I'll show you, that the menu that's located on the top of the screen to move over to the left so you can look a little less decluttered. I'll demonstrate how this is done. And the trick is really simple. Depending on your browser, I've got my screen set on 100% magnification. Now watch the magic as I increase the magnification. In this case, I only had to do 3 steps, and I was able to relocate my menu over to the left hand side. And as you can see, from the drop down arrow, I can still access the sub menu. All good. Alright, let's put it back to the default setting. And I'm going to show you how to install more modules onto your home page. The tool is really simple and is located on the bottom left hand side, right here. So you need to go to the Install More Tools button and click on the Add button. Depending on the speed of your internet, you'll be able to have a list of all the available modules that you can install. I happen to like to install Mailing Boss, so I go to the search field and start creating a listing for Mailing Boss. There you go. This is what I want to see, so I'll click on it. It'll ask, is this exactly what I want to add to my home page? I'm going to click on the Add button. The progress bar will show that it's ready to be added. So let's go back to the dashboard. Aha, voila! There's my Mailing Boss program. And conversely, if we want to remove a module from my home page just to show a little less details, this is the Remove Tools button, which I'm going to select for you right now. Once you've selected, it's very kind of them to ask you, is this exactly what you want to do? In this case, I'm going to say yes. And your home page will be one module less. Thank you for watching. Now, if you feel the content has helped you, then be a good sport. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the videos.